Getting rich is a goal many people aspire to achieve. Here are some strategies that can increase your chances of building wealth over time.
Acquire valuable skills and knowledge. Invest in your own personal and professional development to increase your earning potential. Acquire skills that are in demand and continuously seek opportunities for growth and advancement. Network and build relationships. Cultivate a strong professional network and build relationships with like-minded individuals. Networking can lead to valuable opportunities, partnerships, and mentorship that can accelerate your wealth building. Diversify your income sources. Relying solely on a single income stream can limit your wealth building potential. Explore additional sources of income, such as starting a side business or generating passive income through investments. Invest wisely. Investing can help grow your wealth. Educate yourself about different investment options, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and mutual funds. Be disciplined and patient. Building wealth is a long-term endeavor that requires discipline and patience. Stay committed to your financial goals, avoid impulsive decisions, and be prepared for setbacks along the way. Stay informed and adapt. Keep up with current trends, economic changes, and market conditions. Stay informed about financial matters and be willing to adapt your strategies and investments as needed.
Set financial goals. Define specific financial goals that align with your values and aspirations. Having clear objectives helps you stay focused and motivated on your path to wealth creation. Wealth building includes factors such as personal fulfillment, good health, strong relationships, and a positive impact on others. Focus not only on accumulating wealth but also on leading a balanced and fulfilling life. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, just subscribe and share and let us know in the comments below.